Hey guys, welcome back to Math Studies. For today's class, we're going to study logic, which is a brand new unit for us. And we're going to focus on these three vocabulary words. So first of all, logic is the science of thinking, of reasoning, and of proof. So most of you guys have taken geometry, so you guys have written long proofs before. But logic proofs are a little bit different. The reason why they're different is because we have truth tables. Truth tables are diagrams that help to interpret and draw a conclusion from a logical process. So, this is an example of a truth table. That means I have a statement P and a statement Q, and I'm trying to say that P is true and Q is false, and I need to make a conclusion. Now, the reason why we don't have a conclusion is because you guys don't know what logic is. And the last thing that we're going to focus on is proposition. Proposition is a statement that is either true or false, but it can't be both at the same time. And we're going to talk about what a proposition is. So, a proposition is a statement that cannot be a question, cannot be an instruction, and cannot be an opinion. So, on page 258, we're going to work on 3 problems and see if they're propositions. Now, the first statement says, all dollar is a unit of currency. And we have to say, is this an opinion? No. Is this a question? No. Is this an instruction? No. Therefore, this is a proposition. And a dollar is a unit of currency, so that means it is true. Now, B, it says, come back home. I don't know, that seemed like an instruction. Once you have that exclamation mark at the end, that means that person is telling you to do something. So this is not a proposition. Remember, a proposition is either a statement that is not an instruction, not an opinion, and it's not a question. Now the last one says, all square numbers are odd numbers. Now, that is a statement, so I know it's a proposition. So this is a proposition. But how do I know if it's true or not? So this is where you do some math. So I'm going to start squaring some numbers. 2 squared, 3 squared, 4 squared. 2 squared is 4. Is 4 an odd number? No. 3 squared is 9. Which is an odd number, and 4 squared is 16, which is not an odd number. So this statement is obviously false because not all squared numbers are odd.